Hello and good evening from Bangkok International Airport. My name is Sharp Katawi from the Aviation Economist, and today I'll fly business class on Thai Airways from Thailand to Beijing in China, the second part of my 4-leg journey back home to Canada. And my flight today is TG674 from Gate C4. I have to admit, unfortunately, I found the airport quite chaotic. This is due to renovations going on to accommodate the rapid increase in travellers, exceeding its capacity of 45 million passengers per year. So if you're transiting through Bangkok, please bear in mind that you might face very long security queues indeed. Now, to give you a little background, Thai Airways currently operates a total of 6 Boeing 777 in 4 variations. The aircraft for my flight today is an older one, first entered service 19 years ago. Thai Airways operates its older 777s on shorter regional flights. This aircraft today has 330 economy seats and 34 Royal Silk business class seats in a 232 configuration. Now, going down the bridge, the crew were very warm and welcoming indeed. I have to say, the business class seats on my flight today was not a lie flat bed type, and seat recline was only limited to 160 to 170 degree, precisely what these older aircraft are only used for shorter regional flights. But it does give you various positions between upright and recline for optimum comfort during the flight. I have to say, despite the aging cabin and older seats, I found it very comfortable for this 4-hour flight, and the seats are very well maintained and kept clean. Now, once on board, you will find the traditional Thai Airways flower, a blanket, pillow and the amenity kit already on the seat. And now, as everyone was settling in the seats, crew started giving out drinks, and I opted for some very refreshing tamarind iced tea, which I highly recommend. Now, to give you a little tour of the seat, there is not an overwhelming amount of space for storage, but it was decent. At the front you'll find the safety car for this flight with 2 cup holders. Just below the screen is where you will find a list of beverages available alongside some in-flight magazine. You also have your headphones squashed between the bunch of magazines. I really have to say, these headphones are very much economy class type and should not be found on business class. I totally understand that it's only a 4-hour regional flight, but if you pay for business, you must not get a pair of headphones as bad as these. I did not even bother using them and I stuck with my headphones. Now, to the side you will find the reading light, a partition for some privacy if you have someone sitting next to you. And I actually like how the table is placed in the armrest. Easily comes out and is not overly big. And there's also a power plug if you would like to charge devices just at the back of the armrest. Now, to the right hand side you'll be able to adjust your seat position for optimum comfort, and behind which there is a remote for in-flight entertainment. Yes, a very old one. I have to say, the safety video was very interesting though, not overwhelmingly fancy and long, and was easy to grab all the safety details. Now, the in-flight entertainment on this flight was very identical to my first flight on 747 from Sydney. Content-wise, limited number of movies with only a handful of episodes per TV series. Now, using the remote control, it was quite responsive though, with not much lag. All in all, not very impressed at all. My friends at Thai Airways, you really need to improve the in-flight entertainment system on your flights. Now, the amenity kit on this flight was by Mandarin Doc. The case looks and feels very cheap, very much just like the headphones. And again, I was not impressed with the amenity kit on those flights either. Now, luckily, it was a clear evening, which made it for a stunning taxi and takeoff. I even got to see Lufthansa's Airbus A380 World Taxi. Now, as usual, I'll leave you to enjoy this stunning taxi and takeoff. Shortly after takeoff, dinner was served. For me, it was a delicious Turkish kafta kebab with vegetable curry and a side of shrimp and smoked salmon salam. There was also some bread and butter, which I enjoyed later with my tea. Food, as always, is absolutely delicious. You would not be disappointed on Thai Airways when it comes to food, that's for sure. And as you can see, I really did enjoy my food. Now, after a short nap, I woke up to a nice drink and some more warm nuts just in time to catch the stunning approach in landing in Beijing, China. Now, how do I sum up my flight today? Now, despite the aging cabin, horrible headphones and lacking in-flight entertainment, a very warm cabin crew and delicious food made this a relatively pleasant flight. Now guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up and follow us on our social media channels for live updates of our flights. As always, until next time, fly safe and I will see you very soon.